Happy holidays, tiny friends. Welcome to day 7 of 12 days of a vintage Christmas, where each day I am putting together a piece of this free printable. This is a vintage Christmas decoration box set. It comes with 13 boxes and 6 cards. And on day 1, I shared this free printable and all the helpful hints and suggestions that I could find and come up with to help you create this free printable. If you would like to have this printable, you'll find a link in the description box below. If the link doesn't work, please let me know as soon as possible in the comments and I will fix it right away. To find the link to the printable, you want to scroll past the first image, which will be an image of this Christmas set, 2 paragraphs underneath that, and then you'll see the words Christmas boxes. Click on that link and it'll bring you up to the PDF where you can either print it or download it and keep it. Today I'm going to make a bead garland or a beaded garland. Is it beaded or bead? But it's also going to be a very short video. But you still have time to grab yourself a nice cozy cup of Christmas cheer. I'm just going to apologize now because I will not be in the frame as much as I normally would be, and I was also having issues with my focus. This project was originally going to be one whole video, and I was having technical difficulties. So at the last minute, I came up with doing the 12 days of a vintage Christmas. And originally this footage was going to be cut, and I was just going to show you the contents and the little box. But I have to fulfill the 12 days of Christmas, so here it is. And right now I am using these little beads that I found on the floor. It was a broken bracelet, and I can't tell if these beads are wooden. I think they are, but they're pretty cool, and I thought that they looked like a vintage bead garland. So I've just threaded a needle, and since I have 2 different color beads, I'm going to do 1 dark, 2 light, 1 dark, and just do a little pattern like that. I used this box to store the Christmas cards, and it's the deepest box in the set, but it's also a great box for your garland. So your bead garland or your paper chains, they would fit perfectly in this box. Okay, so I have about 3 inches, and I really don't need a really long garland. This looks like it's pretty good. I think I'm going to give it 1 more round, so a couple more, and just somehow fold it. I'm just trying to see how I'm going to place it, how I'm going to fold it and place it in the box. I really just want to give the illusion that there's more than there really is. But I do want to add just a couple more, and then I'll tie it off and cut the excess. For the bead garland, I picked this little box with the Christmas tree on it, and I think I glued it. I think I glued it closed. Part of it's glued, but I'm just going to play around and figure out how I'm going to fold this up and then place it inside the box. Okay, tiny friends, there it is, a tiny little bead garland and a very, very short, the shortest video I've ever made. And even though this was literally the tiniest video, I hope you've all enjoyed it. If so, please click that like button and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. I want to thank you all for subscribing and for all your support. And welcome to all my new subscribers. So come back for day 8 to see what I create then. And until then, tiny friends, happy holidays, and I'll see you on the mini side.